How to fix we can't find your camera error on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix we can't find your camera error code. So first thing you need to do here is go to the search bar and then simply search for camera app and open it up. Now once you open up your camera, as you can see, I'm getting this error message that says we can't find a camera, and you get the error code down below. This usually happens when the laptop does not have access to your camera, or your camera driver is disabled. So in that case, what you need to do first is check if you have camera access. So simply first thing to do is go over to settings. From here, you need to go over to privacy and security, and then scroll down and find camera. Tap on it. Make sure the camera access is turned on over here, and make sure your camera app and other application have your camera access enabled. Once that is done, close it out, go to device manager, hit enter, and then from here you can find your camera driver over here. So if you click on the drop down, make sure that your camera driver is enabled. So you can just right click on it, and then you can find the option to enable device. If it's already enabled, then you can find disable device. So you can try to disable it once and then try to re-enable it. Then right click again and then go to update driver, search automatically. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. And if you have any external webcams installed, make sure you update their drivers as well. Now, if I just go over to the search bar and then search for camera app and hit enter, then I should be able to use my camera right here. As you can see, the camera has successfully loaded. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.